Today we're going to look at 3 different things using the round, and it's a different size, a 2 or 3 is fine, it doesn't matter. To use it, basically we're using this just like a pencil. So the trick is with the hand like this, it's not like this. It's just relax and just exact points.
Some reckless thoughts came to my mind, which caused me for to roam.
First look here at the brush. And so we're looking carefully at the area where the shadow is.
To leave my native country and the wee girl I do adore.
When you're using this for oil painting, this is very different, huh? So you're loading, you're getting the color. And lots thick, very thick. We're just getting to the basic color of the bits that we're trying to protection areas in quick. Just see how the hand is very quick. We're not doing there's no individuals, so just looking at the very darks with a bit more color into the picture. Where does it come? Brush before we start. The next, we're keeping these in here. We're just quick marks. We're blocking, there's nothing fancy, just the basic toad. So the last, or the third kind, is a flat. See how long it is? And this is for putting on top of everything else. Very gently, you use very gently with the brush side, it was like that. So I'm just using my brush to get this area over it. And if it's already full, I get more, and I'm not doing any of this.
Well inclined, so we kissed goodbye and parted, and I left my girl behind. So
the last use is to use very gentle, very not hard, but very gently, almost like dry movement is useful. I'm trying to get just a little tiny touch here and there, a little bit here and there, just the slightest bit that's coming through here. It's a useful technique. I want just a little bit here and there. Again, the brush is really loaded, and I'm just making these marks coming behind the shadow. Okay, that's good.
So without delay,